Hey Queens, this is Ariel from Queen Melanin Extensions, and today we're going to show you how to make your rice water in order to get your hair back healthy, bring back them edges, help them split ends, poo, and definitely get it a lot longer. If you follow this process, then I'm telling you it definitely will work. I do it every 2 weeks faithfully, and the hair is slayed. Today I am rocking a 12-inch curly wig by Queen Melanin Extensions. So go ahead and get your curly bundles, y'all. This is the closure, but we do have a frontal as well. Go to queenmelaninextensions.com and shop with us. Also, don't forget to subscribe for new videos. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment your results, y'all. Make sure you let me know if this works for you, because I promise you it works. Give it about a month, you gonna see some inches, baby. So make sure you come back and leave a comment and let me know, okay? Thank you.
Got Queen Melanin extensions for your royal inches. If you wanna slay, you gotta do it the Queen Melanin way.
All you need to do this is a cup of water and a cup of rice. So once you get your cup of rice, you're going to run water on it and go ahead and rinse it off. We just want to make sure there's no dirt or anything on it. So you just go massage the rice. It's going to turn foggy. You just want to make sure you get all the dirt off of it. After you finish doing that, you're just going to go ahead and pour off all of the excess water. This is not the water you'll be using, so go ahead and pour all of that off. Next, you're going to get your cup of water and pour it in the rice. You're then going to mix it around again. Again, it is going to get foggy, and you're just going to let this sit out for about an hour. After an hour, you're going to pour the water into a cup or a bowl or whatever you may have, but I have a cup. You don't need the rice part, just pour the cloudy water itself into the cup. So I usually part my hair into 4 sections and put the rice water in a spray bottle. Take down one braid at a time and just spray all over the roots and especially the ends. You want to make sure you get your ends well, and just get a weave brush and brush through it and make sure it's saturated. After I make sure it's saturated and I have my edges and everything done, then I just go ahead and braid it or twist it back up in order to get it out the way. And then go to the other side, take that braid down, and basically just do those steps all over again by going ahead and making sure that I spray the roots and throughout the hair, as well as the edges and of course the ends of the hair. Then take my brush and brush right through it, and we're just gonna go through these steps for each side and of course the back. Once you finish spraying it and braiding, just go ahead and get those braids and put them at the top of your head. You're then gonna go ahead and put your shower cap on. Just cover the whole head because the rice water does smell horrible. And after you're finished with that, you're done.